philosopher, an aristocratic one.
Are you serious with what you just said? I would never want to lie with such a thing.
Hey! If you abide by my rules, we work just fine.
Money is not everything.
Money is everything!
You're wrong! No! Why will you leave these kids outside there?
Point of correction. We are not kids. We are adults.
Even na one corner, even take them na incomplete.
Why don't you open the gate for me?
Are you now to choose when I'll be free or not?
See, I tell you. Now instruct when people will get this house, give me now they follow.
You cannot compare your job with my job.
Papa, shut up your mouth. She takes me to another level. That is on a steady.
Who is here with you?
You should be ashamed of your entire generation.
I'm the only child. My mama don't die. My papa don't die. Nobody they speak for me.
I've been day busy since morning. Work plenty.
You are busy that you can't perform your duties?
What nonsense is this?
No be nonsense be this so. Na coconut rice so.
Normal ingredients, and he's been to the restroom up to 4 times.
Tell my what you go do.
You're very wrong.
No, James, you're wrong.
Do you know I can sue you now for defamation of character?
Shows that you're a real woman.
What do you mean by that?
You have enough for my own life.
You are very foolish.
Yes, ma'am.